Little storyteller.
Chef Leo, with his tall white hat and happy smile, stood in his little Lego kitchen. Tiny pots and pans gleamed. Outside the window, the sun shone on green Lego trees. Suddenly, a red fire truck zoomed up. Fiona the firefighter hopped out, her yellow helmet shiny. "Hello, Leo. What smells so good?" she asked, her voice cheerful. Just then, a spaceship landed gently nearby. Alex the astronaut floated down, his white suit gleaming under the bright sun. "Greetings. I heard talk of food," he exclaimed with a friendly wave. Leo smiled. "We are going to cook spaghetti for dinner. Would you like to help?" Fiona and Alex cheered. They all went inside the cozy kitchen. Leo carefully poured tiny, dried spaghetti into a small pot of bubbling water. Fiona used a tiny ladle to stir it gently. Alex, who had seen many stars, sprinkled tiny bits of salt like falling stardust. Next, Leo opened a tiny can of tomato sauce. It smelled sweet and yummy. Fiona chopped tiny pieces of garlic with a very small knife, being extra careful. Alex helped mix the sauce in a tiny bowl. He made sure to stir it gently so it wouldn't splash. They all worked together, happy to be a team. Soon the spaghetti was cooked, and the sauce was warm. Leo used tiny tongs to put the spaghetti on small plates. Fiona spooned the yummy red sauce on top. They all sat down at a small Lego table. The spaghetti tasted delicious. Working together made the food even more fun to eat. After dinner, as the sun began to set, Alex got ready to go back to his spaceship. Fiona's fire truck waited nearby. Leo waved goodbye to his friends. He learned that cooking with friends is always a great adventure. And did you know that spaghetti is a long, thin type of pasta?
Please subscribe. Thank you.